Hey, my name is Sam Clark and I'm from winwinonly.com and I want to share with you today MediaCloudPro. I've now had this for over a week and I absolutely am blown away by the amount of assets that are available inside of here. And I'm going to go through a few with you. Let's get over to the dashboard real quick. There's a great walkthrough video. He shows you a lot here and there's all sorts of training as well. But we have the elite version and we have just so many more aspects here that are included, including the video assets. And I'm going to open that up real quick and I want to show you something I have here. Did that open up? Actually, let me open that up. Okay, we have PowerPoint videos, 4K videos, and HD videos. I just want to show you the amount of 4K video in here. Just to give you an idea of how much is in here and how cool some of this stuff is. Here's an example of one right here, and all done in 4K. Really, really cool stuff. I mean, can you imagine doing a promo video on something like that? Just it's endless, and you'll never have to go looking for anything ever to do with graphics again for the rest of your online marketing career, most likely. I mean, we just have, this is just 4K stuff that you can download and utilize, and I've downloaded some, and let me open up, let me jump into my downloads folder, just give me a second, of the amount of what's in here. I've downloaded a couple just yesterday. These I downloaded and made a promo video from something else in here. But there's just some stunning 4K video in here. That's great. I'll show you this card one. It's pretty cool. Drop that down in here. And that's just one example. I mean, it goes on and on. I mean, obviously, when you're looking at this, we've just got an endless supply, depending on what niche you're in. It doesn't even really matter. I mean, making promotional videos is important anyway. You all know the importance of video marketing. I'm not telling you anything you don't already know yet here. The ability to quickly find things in here. There's a lot to download, but there's a lot built in here and already. Like I did one this morning, and I downloaded this, and then opened up Camtasia, made a quick promo video. This is really cool. This is, again, beautiful imagery here. And I'll just show you this one real quick. And I made a real quick little 15-minute promotional video I've already gotten some traffic and sales from. So it's, making this kind of stuff. Obviously, I dropped this into whatever video editor you want. You can just download this and utilize it. Really nice graphics and different things that I do not see online. So you get a lot of, some of this, like this one I've seen before, but I just typed in the word success and you just got a boatload of stuff in here. I haven't even looked at this one yet. It's kind of cool. I'll probably do a promo video on that too. I like that. I can picture myself sitting there, enjoying myself, loving life. Anyway, that's just one area of videos. You've got memes in here too. But I'm creating and finding images. This was in the icons area, and I typed in money. And this is just the start. I can load more. These are all nice, beautiful vector graphics that you can utilize in your marketing. So when it comes to images and stuff, it's really fast. It's always a pain to go looking for stuff. And finding stuff, and this allows you to just quickly do it. Like I'm going to enter in a word here. Let's go phone and see what comes up. And boom, I have all the images all ready to go. Now, what's interesting in here, you're going to see this little icons right here. These are two image editors built in. One's for guys like me who are not super techy with the image editors, and we have like a Photoshop style editor here. Photo P is built right in. So when we click on these, let's take an example. I'll take this one. It opens up. We can download it from here, but first we need to edit it and add some things to it. And we can open that into right here into Photo P, which just Pixo, which just opened up right inside the application, so we don't have to go dealing with downloading, uploading. We can do things real quick. You can apply different filters on here. You got all sorts of different options. That one's kind of cool. I like that one. But they're all right here built in, so you can do different things. and have use different filters for any of these, depending on what you want to do. So I'm going to go back up here and just click on this one. I like that one. And you can add stickers in here. They're all built in, various stickers. I'm seeing a guy in here. I like him. Just drag him over, resize him. Make him a little bit smaller. So what I'm saying here is that you have the built-in editor right in here, which is very cool. I can put him right on the phone. And then obviously your text, you can do pretty much any font you want that you're going to need, all built in here, and you can add your text quickly to this as well. And so that works well. And you've got the blur, you got a frame action, so I can add a frame to this real quickly to give it a unique look and unique style, depending on what you want and what you're looking for. You got a bunch of different frames in here to do different things with. Lego frame, I like that. And then I could simply, at that point, when I'm done with it, save it. It's going to go back into the application once it exports the photo. So you can see how this can be a time saver. So now it's done. I can just save as, right click and save image as, and download it, and I'm done. That's for images, but you can see all the assets in here. We got viral quotes. This is only available to the as well, so I could instantly have download these viral quotes. Look at them all, you guys, for different areas: money, motivational, inspiration, healthy living. So this is going to give you a lot of great engaging kind of content to be able to auto upload onto wherever you want. Instantly, and have all of this access instantly, saving a lot of time. Logo collection, I honestly have not even been in here yet. Nice looking logos. You get different packages, you can download those. GIF Assets, all sorts of stuff in here. Again, you can download 8K plus 8,000 various GIFs that you can use in your marketing. It's mind-blowing, quite frankly. There's training in here as well to help you work with stuff and how to edit and how to deal with the two different editors, what's going on with them, how to save and share images directly from the dashboard. I haven't really talked about that, but you can do that right inside of the dashboard. Let me go back to the dashboard here. Turn that off. Let's go just find an image. And you can upload stuff too as well. I've done that. I'll show you that in a minute. Let's just put in success. And I could go edit that, and then I could also share it right here to Pinterest or Facebook. So I could just open that up and boom, all set. I could share that directly from here, which is very cool. Nice little feature as well. I believe, I'm going to check real quick. I'm going to the library. Yeah, so I can download and then re-upload stuff I've edited, and directly, the ones I've edited directly add to Facebook and Pinterest as well. So what else? Boy, 3D covers, other assets. I mean, the downloadable amount of stuff here. Let me go to image assets. Is just out of this world. Here's a free, a little bit of the previews, but then look at all of this. 10K, 10,000 images, 10,000 images. So, you know, you've got, it's just ridiculous the amount of content in here, what you can do. Again, this was designed to never have to worry about dealing with images, videos. You've got over 7 million images and over 5 million digital video assets in here, with a lot of stuff you can do right inside of here and manipulate it and upload it and be done with it, or download it, and so whatever you need. In the bonus section, check this out. Look at this. This is all more 300 top quotes to help you in any situation. more, and more. That's why I say when you join the club, okay, this is part of the club. I'm going to jump into the club now. Okay, we added the elite version right here. Saves you $84 from purchasing all that. This is just one of over 200 pieces of software and programs that we have in the club. I've been here 4 months. I'm never leaving. This has saved me so much money. All my hosting I was able to dump, which saved me a ton of money, and swap that over. I was able to drop my autoresponders, as there's enough in here to use for autoresponders, saving me again well over $50 a month just in that. So at $37 a month for this, which I don't pay for, everything's free because I'm an affiliate. To join, it's $37 a month to get access to all of this, but you can be a affiliate with this and earn commissions and build yourself a residual income by sharing this with others and helping others find this and saving a ton of money. Because any one of these pieces of software, you get all 200 plus of these, and we add new ones all the time. Any one of these is typically going to cost you more than the cost of the monthly membership. So I just showed you the MediaCloudPro, and that MediaCloudPro would have set you back $84. So even if you just saved you 1 month, and then next month, you're not going to use all of this, obviously. I mean, here's a Pinterest one. It's another $100. So if you do anything with Pinterest, which I do, in combination with this, that's $200 this month alone of tools that I actually am going to use, that I would have liked to have paid for, that I don't have to. I'm actually making a nice monthly income from using all this, so it's free. It's not only free, I'm making money from this. The amount of stuff, Christmas graphics, I got that, I downloaded that. That's pretty cool. I've done some things with that. Video Cedar, here's another $104. This was just come in the club. We continue to add all the latest programs that come out. We've got a couple that are, StoryPal was just launched. Acutally is going to be in here. This is a fantastic business opportunity that I'm going to be pursuing to help businesses out and become compliant with the American Disabilities Act. Another great income. So what I'm saying is here, guys, this is one heck of an offer. Just even if for the first month you just get in here for MediaCloudPro, 84 minus 37. Right there, 40. It saves you. So it saves you $47 right there because you get the elite version in here. So, as I said, you get everything in here at this time. Some of this stuff will go away because we have limited licenses. But for right now, you have the opportunity to join and become an affiliate and make some money with this. Just share it with people you know as you go through your day. There's enough in here to utilize, to dump some tools if you have various tools. I already talked about hosting and autoresponders. I don't know what you're using to build with your funnels, but we've got 2 great funnel builders in here. ConversioBot, this is an amazing tool. Came out. Haven't had a chance to get in there and utilize it yet. Where's the Max Funnels? I want to show you Max Funnels. Max Funnels right here. We got the Pro version with the templates in there. Amazing. This is a great funnel landing page creator. So if you're doing something like ClickFunnels or lead pages, I know what you're spending. You could dump that. You could dump that and get everything you need for software ever right here and never have to go outside of here to find anything, because even if something comes out you like, it's going to be added. So that's an overview of the club and an overview of MediaCloudPro. MediaCloudPro you're going to love. It is just loaded with everything you could possibly ever want, with some of the best stock video stuff I've ever seen. And as you can tell, we have the elite version, and I didn't pay a dime for it, and neither will you. So get in here, join the club. It's going to be the best decision you can make for your business, and it'll save you a ton of money over the course of the upcoming months. And if you want to promote it, you can make some great money too. Okay, I'm going to knock out of here. Where are we? There we are.